Hello and welcome to today's video. So we're going to go through this method of making money online and from home where we can potentially earn up to $198.50 per click, which sounds amazing, doesn't it? But of course it's not going to be, just a click and you earn that money. There are a number of elements to this. But in today's video, I'll walk you through this process. I'll share with you how this all works. And by the end of the video, not only will you know how it works, you'll know exactly how you can earn this amount of money. So on the screen here is my website. You'll know we've got lots of resources for making money online and from home. Now, recently, this over here, the Not Taught at School University, actually launched into the marketplace. So what does that mean? So if I show you this over here, inside of here, this is the university, and this is what is inside. Now, I spent about 4 months creating this product with a group of beta testers. Now, inside of here, we share all of the modern day methods for making money online and from home. Now, the majority of these methods I am doing myself, and in examples where I'm not doing this myself, I have brought in experts from outside to come in and do training. And not only do we have these videos on here where we're walking through the process, we also have resources, we have PDFs, we have ebooks, spreadsheets, and lots more. Now, essentially, this here is not only is it an online training for making money online, it comes with a community element to this as well. So there is the training here, and then we also have the Facebook group, and potentially further down the line, we are looking at a Discord group, okay? But basically, anybody who is interested in making money online and from home would get unbelievable value from this. And it doesn't matter what we are looking at. So inside of the university here, we have, a start here section. Then after this, we move on to mindset. And I share some of my original struggles with earning online, whether we look at affiliate marketing, whether it was an online agency, even YouTube, and I go back and I share, actual examples. So in this example, we have a $40,000 plus case study, and then we've got a $30,000 case study. And then we're going to, different things around mindset, so building self-confidence, having a winning mindset, self-limiting beliefs, and lots more. Then after this, we're moving into the good stuff, okay? So we have starting an online agency. Huge section here. I mean, this product here could have been sold as a course on its own, as could the YouTube section, and probably most of this as well. But let me give you an example. So in the starting an online agency section over here, we go over an overview, and then we go through getting started, how to work with people. I include my own documents. We've got using keywords to find clients, using Facebook, a live example, contacting the bit. Look, there's lots of videos in here. Once we've gone over the getting started element, then we look at different ways we can make money. So like this is an example over here with Google My Business. And again, I'm linking out to different tools and resources. Then after this, we've got additional resources that we can use. We've got awesome free resources, so how to get certified with Google and also with Facebook. And then I also share about running paid ads, so how you can make money managing local clients' Facebook pages and running ads for them. And again, I mean, it's insane. It genuinely is. So that's one method inside of the university. And then we have other ways. So making money on YouTube. We've got making money with printables, TikTok products, affiliate marketing. We don't leave anything. We cover absolutely everything we're doing to make money online. And we go over it all step by step. And I also share the exact tools and resources and websites and everything I'm doing inside of here, okay? So there's lots inside of this product over here. Now, how can you make money from this? Well, basically, you can sign up to become an affiliate for the university. Now, I will drop a link down below to this page over here. This is known as the JV page. So on here, I share information with you about, the product, why promote it, and lots more. So you can see here, it's a product backed by results. And all of the screenshots on here are actual results, okay? Come further down the page here, I share a sneak peek inside of the university, and you can see here, look, a product that's actually been tested for months before launching. And then we've got, feedback from the Facebook group inside of here. And then we'll come down here, what's included, so everything we've just gone through on here, and then pricing, okay? So at this moment in time, the product launched a few days ago, and you can see here, it's selling for $297 a year. On the 7th of October, the price increases to $397 yearly. So basically what can happen here is, if I scroll up here where it says grab your affiliate link, if you go ahead and get an affiliate link and start promoting this product, then potentially you can be earning I nearly forgot, $197 for every person you send over to this product and they go ahead and buy the Not Taught at School University. It's straightforward and simple. So, if you decided you wanted to promote this and share this, I mean, if you've already got the university, I'd definitely recommend for you to, promote and share it, not only for myself so I can make some money, but so that you can also earn some affiliate commissions. And I genuinely believe, this is the best product for anyone who's interested in making money online, because we've got lots of information inside of here. But I also really do like the community side to this, whereby, we can speak with people daily. If someone goes through this training here and they've got comments or questions, or indeed they just want to be surrounded by entrepreneurs who are trying to make money online, they can go in the Facebook group and, mingle and ask questions from beginners, people who are actively doing this method, and people on a similar journey. So if you did decide to go ahead, sign up and start promoting this product, how can you, promote it essentially? Well, there are a number of ways. If you're an affiliate marketer, then, you'll know how to do this. But if you're not an affiliate marketer and you don't know, the best ways of doing this, there is another resource for you, and I will link to that down below for you, and that is my free affiliate course. So that will show you how to set up an affiliate marketing campaign. Whether you're going to promote this product over here or any affiliate product, it doesn't matter. The affiliate marketing course will walk you through the whole concept from start to finish, because whichever product you're promoting, we're always going to need some form of traffic, i.e. customers, to click that link for us. Now we can do this in the form of YouTube videos, which is incredibly simple. We can do this in the form of a website. We can do this with TikTok, Instagram affiliate marketing. We could do this with a Facebook group, with a Facebook page, Quora, Pinterest. There's lots of different ways that you can drive traffic to any online affiliate product, and it's genuinely not a difficult process. But if you know someone who may be interested in this product and you're an affiliate, you send them over to here with your own unique link. If they buy the product, then you can be earning, as you can see down here, 50% of the price. So on the 7th of October it goes to $397 yearly, and before that it's $297 yearly. And here's the cool thing as well, this is a yearly payment. So if you send somebody over here and they buy the product, now in a year's time, then you can also earn another 50%, because the plan with the university is this here is just the starting point for this. I am not looking at, creating this now and then just leaving it. I'm looking like long term. I'm thinking 5-10 years ahead of, where's this going to be in 5 years? What's it going to look like in 10 years? I have no doubt, down the line, this will have totally transformed. We may have it on a new platform, but overall, it will be the #1 resource for anyone who is looking to make money online using modern day methods. So, in the next couple of weeks, we've got some more sections being added inside of here. We've also got some case studies being included, and we've got some different softwares we've gone and bought, and we're going to be drip feeding them inside of the university, because obviously we want people to stick around with this for the long game. So yeah, so look, that is today's video. That's how you can earn that amount of money per click. I forgot what it was. But yeah, if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. I will leave a link down below over to the JV page over here for you. I will also leave a link to my free affiliate marketing course. And look, if you go over to my website, it's called Not Taught at School. If you just click on affiliate marketing, there's lots of articles on here walking you through, this whole process, how to get started with affiliate marketing, different methods, whether you're using, how to make money with a Facebook group, if you're doing YouTube. All of these articles on here will share with you steps, tools, and resources. I mean, this article here, again, we link out to different methods of making money online. You can see inside of here we have got niche websites, YouTube, Instagram, Quora, lots of stuff inside of here, Pinterest, and other bits. So go ahead, feel free to go ahead and have a look at this article over here. Lots of different examples of how you can make money with affiliate marketing. So yeah, so look, if you've got any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.